That's where this, what you see here, is coming from. Professor Stephen Hawking just transformed on, and I hope he rests in peace.
Yeah.
He was so perplexed about looking for unified field theory. Says there's no way God is going to allow a creature, any creature, including humans, access to God's mind, to see what was in God's mind while God was creating the universe. He didn't think that was possible, so he gave up at that juncture. But like I've said many times, while he was doing that, 1 year earlier, God has already revealed this stuff. So out of this, every hidden mystery is and this is one of the most complicated mysteries. The picture that you are seeing here is one of the most complicated mysteries. You understand? And so God brings the revelation of that most complicated mystery in what we call the elegantly infallible revelation. And part of that elegantly infallible revelation is this picture here, the mapping between the U space, which is this one here, and the eta sub 0 space, or the S space. That's what Reimann's hypothesis solution, how God revealed it. In the process, the guess by Reimann says you have a vertical line is seen immediately. You understand? The vertical line is what you see here, the line that goes up and down. That's what is called a vertical straight line. You all understand?
Yes.
Okay. Reimann guess says the zeros of Reimann, the zeta function, lie on a straight line, a vertical straight line. This formula here, the G2j actually verifies that, because that's what the logarithmic mapping, produces. It is so perfect, it's so elegantly infallible. No, there's no evil force that can touch it. God bless you. Y'all understand?
Yes, sir.
So now that is part of that huge love. It's extremely complicated. And yet, because it's a picture of a clock, in the U space, it is a clock. While in the S or eta sub 0 space, it's a vertical straight line. A clock. You understand? How would anybody guess that a Reimann hypothesis is something that could be associated with a clock? You understand? But that's how God showed it. And so, something that is practically impossible for most people, God is able to reveal it to whoever God chooses to reveal it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
And the next level of the miracle is that I can explain it and you all can get a sense of what I'm talking about. Because when I say the clock, you can see the resemblance of this thing as being like a clock system, right? Can you all see that? Yeah, you have, the shorter hand and the longer hand. Do you understand that? That is what is rotating. It's rotating. And when it's not a solution, you have an angle between this hand and this hand. That's what the clock looks like, right?
Yes.
Absolutely. So therefore, you can see a resemblance of this, the one on the right and left, as being looking like a clock. All right? But in the zeta sub 0 space, you have that clock being transformed into a vertical straight line. And in the process, shock the hell out of the whole world of mathematics. You understand?